course.
So let's not stop. Let's keep moving. Can you fly with me to Southeast Asia?
Let's go.
Easy. Go ahead.
Oh, here. Okay. So, ladies and gentlemen, welcome to Singapore here in Mandai Bird Paradise, home to 3,500 birds from over 400 Asian species.
Oh, wow. Look at that.
Kingfishers.
Ah.
Ning. More coming up. Focus. There.
I don't see any.
Hey, I got a question for you, what?
Yes.
Enough birds, what?
Not enough. I want to see 1,000 birds, remember?
I knew it is not enough for you. It's okay, you want to see more birds? Let's see more birds then. Ladies and gentlemen, focus your attention right up there and right up there. Well, who do we have here? This is Gaia, a hyacinth macaw. The hyacinth macaw are members of the parrot family. Here's a fun fact. Did you know that hyacinth macaw is the largest species of parrots in the world? Interesting fact, right? By the way, Gaia here is only 15 years old.
Alright, so on my side, we have Katie. Katie, right there, come on. Over here, Katie, come on. Good job. So Katie here is a sulfur crescent cockatoo, and sulfur crescent cockatoos like Katie, they can be found in Australia and certain parts of Indonesia, okay? So by the way, that is how they got their names, the sulfur crescent cockatoos, because of the color of their crest. It's yellow.
Well, ladies and gentlemen, parrots, they mate for life and they make extremely devoted parrots, right? They'll take advantage of tree cavities or tree hollow, just like this one right here to build their nest.
That's right. Now they use nesting materials like twigs, dried leaves, and even tree barks, okay? So if the cavity is too small, they will use their beaks to make it bigger, okay? So right now, let's watch them do this behavior, shall we?
Alright, what you waiting for? Let's go.
Here, shall we?
Oh, right here. Sorry for that. Now, ladies and gentlemen, if you want to take a closer look at what's happening inside, take a look at that gigantic screen.
Kitty, what are you doing there? Oh no, I have nothing else to give you. Let me see what I can do. Okay. Side. Over there. Good job. Okay, one more. There you go. Well done, Kitty.
I can't give you my basket empty. Okay, Kitty, go back home. She knows English. Okay, with that, let's give it up for Gaia, Katie, and your wonderful friends.
Is that a rooster? A rooster here in the park. Where's the rooster? Behind me. Sharil.
Huh?
That's the rooster. It just left.
I didn't see your rooster. Oh, wait. That's not your rooster, whatever you saw. Because this is your rooster.
Come on, that's an Amazon parrot.
Excuse me, you don't believe me, right?
No,
Okay, you stand right there, open your ears, and listen, okay?
my ears are open.
Well, that's huge, okay? Quincy, rooster. Now you believe me.
Yes, I believe you.
Ladies and gentlemen, that is our Migo, and this is Quincy, and they are the Amazon parrots, masters of mimicry. Okay, before we do anything else, Quincy, would you like to welcome them? Yeah, she's saying, welcome to Parrot Paradise! Good job! And you guys want to hear it one more time? Yeah, let's do this. Ready? Quincy, welcome them. Give it up for Quincy, ladies and gentlemen! Good job! Okay. Two more sounds. Okay, catch. Okay, one more. Quincy, telephone. Once again, big round of applause for Quincy.
Now, parrots, they imitate the sounds and calls made by their families in the wild. So when Quincy and Amigo here mimic human sounds, they are just doing what other parrots do around them.
In this case, ladies and gentlemen, Quincy's family members or Amigo's family members are the Mandai style.
Yes, that's right. Okay, this time let's say Amigo. Make some sound, shall we?
Okay.
Okay, let's start with something simple. How about a nice hello? Very nice to see you. Hello. So as you all know, his name is Amigo. But guess what? He can say his own name as well. Okay. So can you tell them your name? Amigo. Hey, one more time your name. Amigo it is. Okay, Amigo. There's so many of them today. How would you like to greet all these nice people? He's asking how are you? So how are you all feeling today? Good? Excellent. Not only that, Amigo he also loves to sing and he can sing the birthday song, okay? So when any chance anyone of you celebrating your birthdays today, raise up your hands to wish your birthdays. 1, 2, 3, 4. Anyone else? That side. 5. Okay, so for the 5 of you, I hope I didn't only miss out on anyone else. Amigo, you know what to do.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday. Happy birthday. Happy birthday to you.
There you go, happy birthday by Amigo. And I must say that was pretty amazing, right?
Yes, I totally agree with you, ladies. But hold on, everyone. Quincy here, she's 1 in 10,000. Amigo, he's 1 in a million. What you usually will get is a bird like Big John.
Hi, Big John. So loud. Very noisy there. Bye.
I've just got them. Can't hear anything. Alright, so side, ladies and gentlemen. So think twice. No, I think about 100 times before you go back out there and get yourself a pet parrot, okay? Now with that, let's give it up for Amigo and Quincy with their trainers, ladies and gentlemen.
Hundreds and thousands of these birds that are sold into the pet trade. So Amazon parrots like Quincy and Amigo, they can live up to 50 years in captivity, and that is a lifetime commitment. So if you think they'll be good pets, well, guess what? They won't.
Yes, so instead of like I said, getting yourself a pet parrot, come on down to Bird Paradise. You get to see thousands of birds every day.
Yes, that's right. By the
Yes.
way, Shamil, what's next?
Okay, Lynn, did you know that Wings of the World presentation is probably brought to you by Hello?
Really? I didn't know that, but I do love Fruit Loops.
And speaking about Fruit Loop, ladies and gentlemen, meet Elmo. Did you see Elmo right over there? Elmo, right here. Yoo-hoo! Elmo is a Toco toucan from South America. And Elmo happens to be our Kellogg's Fruit Loops ambassador. Now Elmo is about to show off and demonstrate his flying ability by flying through the gigantic Fruit Loop over there. Okay, Elmo, you ready? Lynn, are you ready?
Yep.
Ready? Ready for? Let's go.
Good job. Now toucans, they are known for their incredible speed and agility. So their bodies are very flexible, that they can fly through gaps in the forest, just like the giant Fruit Loop. Okay, Elmo, one more flight back to Shamil. Ready? Let's go.
Hello. All right, thank you very much, Kellogg's, for sponsoring Wings of the World.
And right now we are going to meet an iconic species from Asia, the Oriental Hornbill Olivia.
And ladies and gentlemen, Olivia is going to impress you even further by flying through 3 Fruit Loops, all right? Now with that, can I have the 3 selected volunteers with the yellow stickers. Now, who's got the yellow stickers given earlier before the show? Please come forward to stage. And we'll explain exactly what is happening, okay? Okay, while waiting for our volunteers to get ready, ladies and gentlemen, I've got a very sad story to share about Olivia. And did you know that Olivia fell off her nest as a chick and hurt her spine? In the wild, she wouldn't have survived, but we brought her to West Paradise to get nursed back to health. And I'm proud to say that Olivia has found a permanent home with us right here. All our volunteers ready? Almost, I see. Okay, once ready, all straighten up. No, I think the center volunteer needs to lower down the loop even further. Yeah. Okay, anytime now. Okay, chemistry, watch this. There you have it. It's not there. Okay, we're going to do it one more time. Okay, positioning, proper, correct. Ready, don't breathe, and looking at. Oh, I think Olivia is looking at the nail volunteer behind you. Big screen. Yes. Olivia, focus. Thank you, Olivia. Excellent volunteers, ladies and gentlemen. Thank you. Right, volunteers, may exit the stage, and thank you so much for helping us out here. Now, toucans and hornbills have 2 major differences, and Lynn is going to explain everything to you, okay?
Sure, Sharon, thank you. So as Sharon was saying, toucans and hornbills, they have 2 major differences, okay? Now, toucans, they can be found in Central and South America. Hornbills can only be found in Asia and Africa. Now, hornbills, they have a distinct feature over their beaks called a cast. It can just be a small ridge or even big and brightly colored. Now, Sharon, is there anything else you'd like to share?
Is it their feet?
Their tongues.
Their tongue.
Oh, hold on, let me see.
Yes. Let's go for the feet first. And watch them hop. Okay, ready?
Okay, now both hornbills and toucans, they are great hoppers. So look at how Olivia is hopping right there. Okay, now how about you? Hey, how does he hop? Okay, now their feet, hornbills, they have 3 toes up front and broad soles. Toucans have 2 toes up front and 2 at the back. Now their feet gives them the strength and stability to move up and down branches in the forest. Okay, Sharon, for real this time?
Hey,
Share with you.
I'm happy hopping with her.
Okay, we'll let Elmo hop first.
Okay,
Elmo? Hop hop. Hoppity hop hop. Okay, look at that. Sharon is doing most of the hopping. Hop.
I can use it to do the show every day.
Good exercise, right?
Okay, good job. Well, ladies and gentlemen, these birds are excellent flyers, and they can catch their prey in mid-flight. Okay, we're gonna get Elmo to show off his skills first. Okay, Elmo, stand by, huh? Here I have a piece of grape. We'll throw it up in the air. Ready? Let's go.
Wow! Now if you see that, let's watch Olivia in action. Ready? 1, 2, and 3! Whoa! That's a great catch! Thank you very much, Olivia, our little hornbill, and Elmo, our Togo toucan. Well done, guys! Now hornbills, they have a very unique nesting behavior in the wild. So they like to nest in tree cavities, just like the nest hole you see up on that tree. So here at Bird Paradise, you will get to see this nesting behavior without you leaving your seats. Okay, so from the smaller Oriental Pied Hornbill, everyone, let's welcome Vicky, a great pied hornbill. Wow! Hello there, Vicky. Now, great pied hornbills like Vicky here, they can be found in Asia, and they are the largest found in this region. Can you guys hear that? That's how great pie hornbills vocalize, okay? Now in Borneo, where these birds can be found, it is believed that if a hornbill were to fly over an area or a village, you will be blessed with good luck. So in a very short while, Vicky here will be inspecting the nest cavity to see if she likes it. Yes. The female, she's very fussy about her accommodation. It has to be big, spacious, and has to have a chimney so that they can escape if they need to. Now the male hornbill will pass her maul and she will mix it with fresh fruits and even her own toppings to create a strong seal. So speaking of mermaid, everyone, let's welcome Sunny, another great pie hornbill. Come on, Sunny. So what Sunny is doing right now is he's gathering food for Vicky, okay? Now for up to 4 months, Sunny will give Vicky and the chicks through that small gap in the nest hole.
In a very short moment, Sunny will fly over to the nest cavity right there. Wow, look at that. Now, this unique nesting behavior is shared by almost all 60 species of hornbills. Now, let's take a closer look from inside. Let's take a closer look at this hornbill so they can't see, okay? Take a look at the screen. Alright, that's showing a female hornbill checking out the nest cavity. Look at that, she likes it? She'll hop right in. The next scene is of a male hornbill, just like what Sunny is doing right there, feeding the female through the sealed nest cavity. Alright, Sunny, it's time to head back home. Home is that way. Come on, let's go.
Bye-bye.
Bye, Sunny. Over there. Yes, yes.
That way.
Home. Alright, there he goes. Our hornbills, ladies and gentlemen.
Now sadly, hornbills, they are under threat. Now the critically endangered helmeted hornbill is being hunted to extinction for its tusk known as the red ivory. So what's happening to elephants are now happening to these beautiful birds. Now I'm here at Mandai because Mandai Nature supports the conservation efforts to protect these endangered species. As a birder, let me tell you this, it's really nice to see these birds in the wild as well as in wildlife parks where they get the best care possible.
Speaking of best care, hello everyone! My name is Genevieve from Bird Paradise. My team and I work hard to ensure our birds stay active, enriched, and engaged. In a short while, we will welcome some very colorful birds on stage. So everyone's ready, let's welcome our beautiful conures! This enrichment device is called a monkey fist. It is made with ropes tied into knots, and within these knots are hidden treats for our birds to find. This will allow them to express their natural foraging behaviors. Conures originate from the forests of South America. Once widespread, they are now endangered. Each year, over 800,000 conures are sold into the pet trade. There are more conures in people's homes than there are into the wild. Conures like us are social animals and happiest in flocks, so please not keep them as pets. Because our conures have gone back home, let's give them all a round of applause.
Thank you very much, Genevieve, for giving us some insights about enrichment for our resident conures. So, Shire,
Yes.
before we carry on,
Yeah?
let's move the skunks to the side, shall we?
Okay, let's do this.
Let's go. Alright, there we go. Now birds, they are everywhere. They are social or solitary, loving and fiercely protective of their young, smart, and Asia. They are one of the strongest creatures you'll ever find on these planets. That is why I love traveling across continents to see them. But Shahril, you know what would really be great right now?
What is it?
Is to be able to see birds from all over the world. Right here, right now.
What if I tell you your wish is about to come true?
Me?
Yes.
But how?
You follow me. Run!
Let's go.
So ladies and gentlemen, thank you so much for coming here to Bird Paradise and also for joining us on birding adventure. Last but not least, ladies and gentlemen, have a great weekend ahead and happy birding! Bye everyone!
girls, please join the queue right now, okay?